just landed in France. We are on French soil. We're doing our first excursion for the day. We are on bus number 1 with Desiree. She sounds like she's French. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Wheel number 1, USA, with the great success. Yeah. Wah wah wee wah.
Want to get on my bus?
Oh no.
No ticket, no bus.
Oh, bonjour.
Bonjour. 157 meters high. They said nobody's allowed to build any higher than 145 meters so that the good mother can see all over Marseille. So that's actually law here. But then we're in Marseille, a city like no other city here in France. Things change here very, very fast. Now a lot of people are moving here to the south. Now Marseille is like one of the, say, cheapest cities on the Mediterranean. The Count of Monte Cristo, so that's the famous Chateau d'If. Now of course it's a book, it's a story. Yes, it was really a prison, but we're talking about a book, The Count of Monte Cristo. Now so many people believe that it was for real, so they decorated it that way if he was really in prison. And you can see on the right hand side we're almost driving into the house. Now they've been saying this for years now. It's going to be the last year that the buses are allowed to drive up here. Now today there's only I think 2 cruise ships, but like in the weekend there's like 7, 8 cruise ships here at the same time, and we're talking about these cruise ships with 6,000, 8,000 passengers. So there's about 40-50 buses driving up here with all the traffic problems it gives. So I kind of understand that these people don't like it, but then I go, well, why did you come and live so close to the most visited monument of this region? Huh?
Okay, we're going up towards Basilica, I believe. Taking, I believe, 170 stairs. Can't talk up there because it's a church, people be praying. It's cool. Reminds me of Cliffs of Moher, all the stairs.
Oh.
Some sort of golden statue, something about the Supreme Mother or Mother or something.
There's 82 stairs.
Oh, you're counting?
Yeah.
That was 82, I thought we were done. Halfway through. Okay. It's good. Been eating a lot on the ship.
Ah! Apparently the bathroom is closed.
No bathroom. So say price you all went before we left.
Yes.
So I'm sorry, the bathrooms are closed.
Way more than 170 months.